Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Walmart haul. I know that I didn't post a video yesterday, but I've been kind of busy. So I am gonna do one today. And happy President's Day. Somebody said it was Columbia's Day. Obviously, they didn't know what they're talking about. But anyways, if you guys want to see what I got from Walmart, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and like, leave a comment, and also click that notification bell so when I upload, you guys will get a notification that I upload. And one thing before we start the video, I got my nails done. I got it did. They call it the ombre style. I think it is really cute, but the next time I'm gonna go with a different color just because I just think that these were a little bit too pinkish. So I'm gonna get a different color next time. Without further ado, here we go. So the first item I'm going to talk about is this kind of like furry material. This is so freaking soft, you guys. It just feels like a blanket. Sorry, I got a little makeup on there. I've been wearing this for my jacket for the winter time. It's really nice. But if you guys wear it like every day like me, it's kind of like the fur gets kind of flattened. But other than that, I really like this. I would give this a 10 out of 10 because it is really soft, and I wear this every day as a jacket. So I believe this one was $20, $19, almost $20. But then just to let you guys know, I got this in a small, but I feel like the arms are kind of short. So just keep that in mind when you buy this. The arms are kind of short, but I like everything else about this sweater. And then the second item I'm going to talk about is these jeans. These jeans are so comfortable. It's because they're not like the regular jeans, so they have like that spandex in the waistband. And then they have this, you can't tighten it. It's just for looks. Because I have a belly, I'm going to cut these off because I don't want to show the top. They are the darker wash, but they come up to like between your knees and your ankle. So they're kind of like capris. I really like these because they are very stretchy, very comfortable. What else can I say about them? The back has a real pocket. The only thing I was really disappointed was it had no pockets in the front. I kind of like the pocket in the front. But other than that, everything else is good. I believe, let me see here. I got this in a medium, 7 to 9. This is a mid-rise. I love this jean. I just paired it with a pair of boots. The next one I'm going to talk about is the same jeans. I just got this in a lighter wash because, you know, I might want to wear it with something else, like a lighter top or something, you know. Yeah, I am not going to try this one on for you guys since it's the same like the other one. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is these booties. I think these booties are so cute. They are at a really good height where it doesn't hurt my feet. Because you know, when you're overweight, you gotta be careful with the heel, but it is really good. The bottom, it's not slippery. As you guys can see, I wore these a lot, but it's not slippery. It's got like the rubber, like the heel part, and it zips on the side here. I got this in a size 6.5. I really like these. These are really good with jeans, just like in the video that I will be showing you guys. I paired it with the other jeans and they were really cute. I believe these were under $20. They're like 19 something, but they're still under $20, and I really like these. If you guys do get these, let me know. And then the next thing I'm going to talk about is these compact boots. They are so freaking cute. They are thinner. I have searched for these boots for years and nothing will fit my fat ankles. But I was really surprised when I found these at Walmart. They are just so cute. I wear these all the time. That's how they look on the bottom, sorry. These are just like rubber, so they're not slippery if you were to wear these out during the winter time. I wore these all the time. I wear these with leggings and with jeans, paired with just regular t-shirt. Yeah, I believe they were under, I want to say $20 too. So for the price, they're really good. And if you guys are looking for really good compact boots, these might be it for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys do decide to purchase these. And the next thing is this cute little dress. On the bottom, it's like, it flutters out, and then it's got this detail right here, which I thought it was really cute. I got this from the little kids section. Oh my gosh, you guys. When you go to Walmart, you gotta look in the kids section. You also gotta look in the men's section and in the girls section, because sometimes you can find cheaper clothes in the little kids section, like this one. This one was on sale. It was $5. You can't beat $5. It is so cute. I believe I got this in an extra large in the kids because, you know, meh. But it is really thin. It's got kind of like the shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got like the shimmer effect to it. It is so cute. I'm going to wear this summer, and it's really light. I mean, like, it's flowy. So if you guys can't find this at your Walmart, let me know, because when I got this one, this was the only one in this color, this size that they had. They had it in black. I really wanted the black one, but unfortunately the gods were not with me that day. So I got this in a gray. Next thing I got is just a pair of sweats that I got from the little girl section. These are extra large also. It has a tie here, and the tie was kind of like a silver tie, and I didn't think it was cute, so I cut it off when I wore these because I wore it twice already. Sorry. But yeah, they just look like this. They're very comfortable. I got it in the little kids section because I am very short, and even the women's were really long on me, so that's why I looked in the kids section. But even these are kind of long, which I was very surprised. But on the bottom is just like this. I We'll pair this with a white t-shirt. You can wear combat boots. You can wear heels with them. They are really cute, really in style right now. How many times am I gonna say cute? But yeah, they're very comfortable. I love this. So if you guys, I got this one in a black too, but the black one was I got it in a large. So unfortunately I had to return that one and get a bigger size, but I haven't got a chance to. If you guys do get this, let me know what you guys think of it. I love it. I just love it. So that is all that I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, just put it in the comment down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.